Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger bed. First, prioritize safety by parking your truck on a flat, stable surface and engaging the parking brake. Always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical issues. Next, open your tailgate, unlatch the support cables, and carefully lift it off its hinges. This initial step provides better access and reduces overall weight. Now, let's disconnect the essential components. Begin by unscrewing the fuel filler neck from the bed, usually held by 3 small screws. Next, locate and disconnect the ground strap, often found near the fuel tank or frame. Finally, unplug the main wiring harness that powers your taillights and license plate. This harness typically has 1 or 2 connectors. With everything disconnected, it's time to unbolt the bed. You'll find 6 to 8 mounting bolts, usually 18 or 19 millimeters, along the frame rails. These are often accessible from underneath the truck. Use a sturdy socket wrench and, if necessary, apply penetrating oil to any stubborn bolts. Ensure all bolts are completely removed before proceeding to the next step. For the final step, you'll need assistance. Gather at least 2 or 3 strong helpers, as the bed can weigh several hundred pounds. Position yourselves evenly around the bed, ensuring a firm grip. On a count, lift the bed straight up and carefully move it away from the truck frame. Place it securely on a level surface, perhaps on sawhorses, for any further work or storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.